Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, let's first draw out our starting material, 4-methylpentane nitrile. 2, 3, 4. All right, that looks like 4-methylpentane nitrile to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is not 4-methylpentane nitrile. Forgive me. We only had 4 carbons, but we need 5 carbons. 5. And then the triple bond to nitrogen. Okay. And 4-methyl. So this is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we've got 4-methyl pentane nitrile. And we assume that the pentane nitrile is on carbon 1 because we weren't told otherwise. Or, sorry, that the nitrile is on carbon 1 because we weren't told otherwise. You could also call this 4-methyl pentane 1 nitrile. But in either case, this is what we got. And we need to suggest a synthetic strategy for 6-methyl 3 heptanol. So heptanol means 7 carbon chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we've got a methyl on the 6 and an OH on the 3. And I will try to illustrate something here that may make this a little more obvious. Right? If we look at this structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This carbon is that carbon. Does that start to reveal maybe something that happened? Perhaps. This to me looks like we used a Grignard reaction on this nitrile. And if you recall, Grignard reactions, are very similar to Grignard reactions on nitriles followed by acidic workup will give you an alcohol in the end, right? And Grignard reactions on nitriles behave similarly to Grignard reactions on, say, acid chlorides or ketones, right? Because the nitrile functional group is very similar to a ketone or an aldehyde. So the synthetic strategy will actually be rather simple. All we need to do is devise a Grignard reagent that will add 2 carbons. For example, ethyl magnesium bromide, right? And I'm not going to step through the whole mechanism, but essentially this would attack here. And eventually, when continuing the mechanism out, sorry, would actually give us an imine. Which after hydrolysis would complete, sorry, forgot our methyl group, this transformation into an alcohol. And if I were to then just write, draw out that ethyl group instead of just writing ethyl, we'd see that is indeed the product that we want. So really our synthetic strategy is to use a Grignard reagent of ethyl magnesium bromide followed by acidic workup, or altogether ethyl magnesium bromide followed with H3O plus.